Why do you call yourself a son of India? I'm proud to be a chela of those great ancient Indian thinkers. I call myself a son of India because while my brain has been filled with ancient Indian thought, my body has been nourished for decades by Indian rice, dal, and chapati. 你为什么称自己为印度之子？我为自己是那些伟大的古代印度思想家的弟子而感到自豪。我之所以称自己为印度之子，是因为我的大脑充满了古老的印度思想，而我的身体则在几十年里一直靠印度的米饭、豆子汤和烙饼滋养。